Welcome to the Pages App Store Preview. Pages is a wonderful app to use in the classroom because students can practice their typing skills and also be very creative in the document that they type out. It is actually a beautiful word processor that you can insert pages. You can change the style of the font. You can change the size of the font, the color of the typing. So this is one example, and it's actually what we did in the classroom. We did a cultures unit. So students did my culture. They made it big, the my culture part big, and then they made the paragraph smaller below. So they could have also, we didn't do pictures, but we could have integrated a picture of their culture, perhaps a picture of maybe the countryside of the South, since we were talking about Southern culture. We could have changed the color of my culture. We could have made the font different. So it's a great app for students to be able to be creative and make it their document. I would recommend for students that are in the younger grades just to kind of get them um, started typing. Most students will not be familiar with where the letters are on a keyboard. What you could do is have them actually write out their paragraph and then type it in. So they wouldn't be concentrating so much about what am I going to put into the document as much as how am I going to make the document my own by inserting a picture, by making it look appealing to the eye. So anyway, though, it's a wonderful app to use in the classroom, both integrating technology and making that a document students can be proud of. Thank you for listening.